me then, they want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's a few now, tell me how's a few now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know you could tell by the title I am about to slay this beautiful wig that I hand stitched myself. The hair is from my hairline fantasy bundles. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, I will be slaying this wig, show you guys how to do something quick and easy. I told you guys I will be uploading videos as much as I can, so I'm definitely back with another one. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all how to slay this this wig, something quick and easy. I know a lot of girls be like, I'm not about to wear no wig, honey. I'm not a grandma, but when I tell y'all, y'all wouldn't even know if my hair was a wig. Y'all would think it was just like a weave. Like, that's how bad I just be like killing the hair game. Like, that's how I be slaying these wigs. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not no pro, but I definitely be slaying these wigs. So I'm gonna show you guys how I slay the wig. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of my wig. Like I said, I did hand stitch my own wigs. All my wigs that I wear, I hand stitch myself. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we about to get into this video. So, as you can see, I've already tied down my edges. Y'all see my edges? They getting thinned out, baby. They thinning out, honey. Like, that's why I've been wearing wigs too, because my edges are thinning out since I'm not getting so much proteins in my body, so my hair is starting to like fall out a little bit. But that's why I've been on these shakes. Definitely gotta have my shakes in the morning. But first off, I start off with this cap. I normally, if I keep my wig on like for more than a day, which 9 times out of 10 I don't, I always take my hair off. That's why I started making wigs, because I get so, even though I really love hair, y'all, I get so irritated with hair. I just be ready to just take it off, like just take it off. So yeah, like I was saying, if I wear my hair longer than a day, I will like use my got to be glue to put it on my edges so that this stick and doesn't slide back. But I'm just gonna wear it for today, just for my outfit. You know, I might switch it up tomorrow, who knows. And this wig right here, it is a side part. Let me show you guys. So this is what the inside of my wigs look like. They do have clips on them. Hold on. I hope you guys can see that. They do have clips around the perimeter. I like to be really secure with my wigs. You're not about to run your hand through my wig and my wig starts slipping back. No, baby. So yeah, I do have clips on my wigs. And then in the front where my closure is, hold on guys, I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay. So I'll just put this in and clip these clips down so that the wig is secure. And boop, bap, bap. So you see how I can just lift this up right here? What I use right there for my closure is I do use my Bold Hold, glue to secure my wig in the front. So that's what keeps my wigs down, is my Bold Hold. Okay, let me move this camera back some. Okay, so as you can see, the glue is now dry. So I'm just gonna take this part of it and pull it right here. And pull it and place it right there where the glue is. I lay my edges down with this Gus to be glue. I know you ladies all know about this. If you don't, get a hold of some. Works so good. And I just since, like I said, I've had this wig for like about a year now. It already got like baby hairs already. And me personally, I don't like them dramatic old baby hairs. So I don't be, you know, all the way down to my eyebrows. No, that ain't me. So I just lightly, you know, something lightly. And I just swoosh. Hold on. Make sure you got the hair off, you know, with enough, got to be glue. Shoot. Okay guys, so I'm like halfway done with flat ironing my hair, and as you can see, the hair is so bouncy. I didn't want to bore you guys with flat ironing all this hair on camera, so okay, so
They don't want me then, they want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's it feel now, tell me how's it feel now.